friends, and welcome to Domestic Diva. If you're new and first time stopping by, my name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a very inexpensive but yet stunning wreath that I made out of dollar store items. This video is also in a collaboration with Liana from Terrarium and Crafts. I will have Liana's channel linked down below, as well as her video for this collab, so make sure you check it out. As you can see, Liana does major crafts on her channels. She has tons of different DIYs, tons of very neat inspirations, so make sure you go check her out if you haven't done so already. And if you are stopping by from her channel, make sure you let me know down in the comments, and also I would love it if you press that subscribe button. Stuck around. This channel is all about DIYs, so I'm sure you can get inspired here as well. So I am making a wreath out of this wood blend floral wreath that I got at Dollar Tree. This is their larger size. And then I had these three magnolia flowers on hand from a different project. You can most likely get some sort of a magnolia flower at Dollar Tree as well. And then just a little eucalyptus wreath that's actually came from one branch and I just cut up. And I got those at Dollarama, but I know that Dollar Tree carries similar items as well. And then I'm using the Annie Sloan chalk paint in cocoa just to give this wreath a more of a grapevine look. I had painted this fully. Now you have to paint it all in all the little nooks and crannies, and also don't forget to paint the back of it, because you just don't want too much of that lighter color showing through. Once I was all finished painting it, I took a clean rag and just wiped the whole wreath down. This is just to prevent little clumps of paint to be showing through, and it kind of blended the whole paint and wreath all together. Now the fun part of the project started. I struggled so much with these flowers to attach them. The point at the back was simply too big and I could not squeeze it in there to sit nicely. And then I tried several different ways, ended up taking it apart and trying it all over again. At the end, for one of them, I ended up cutting the tip off and just reattaching the top in the middle again with hot glue, just so it would sit nicely. got to the point where I was happy with the way this looked, but I did want to give the little middle parts a bit more color, so I ended up taking that cocoa chalk paint by Annie Sloan and just painting lightly over the little tip. The last thing that I did was to attach these eucalyptus leaves, and I ended up cutting them even more just so they wouldn't be too long and look a little off balance. But I absolutely love the way this wreath ended up looking. As you will see, I struggled a little bit with the leaves as well, but I did make it work. I just think it's the wreath form, it is a little bit harder to work with than the grapevine or a foam one or a wire one. But I did make it work, and for spending $1.25, I think this wreath turned out really nice. To thank Liana for collaborating with me on this fun summertime DIY. Make sure you check out her channel as well as the video that she has for this collab. I will have them both linked down below, and like I mentioned, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you consider subscribing, pressing the notification bell, and so you don't miss out any of my uploads. I will be uploading my DIY videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, so make sure you have that notification bell on so you get notified when those come out. I would also like to mention, if you like home decor, cleaning, and cooking, I have two other channels which I will link in my description box as well. It's called DIY Home, where you will find cleaning and decorating, and a cooking channel which is called DIY Cooking. So if you are interested in any of those, make sure you pop on over and show me some love on those channels as well. I do not currently have any content there, but it is coming. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.